In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a LinkedIn newsletter. This is a straightforward process that anyone can follow, whether you're a seasoned LinkedIn user or just starting out. By the end of this guide, you'll be set up and ready to share your insights and updates with the professional community on LinkedIn. First things first, let's head over to the LinkedIn website by typing linkedin.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using either a Google or Microsoft account, or simply enter your email address and password. For those of you with two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn will ask you to verify your account. This usually involves entering a code sent to your phone number, so keep your device handy. Once you're logged in and on the LinkedIn homepage, look toward the top of the page for the button that reads Write Article. This is typically where you would click if you're planning to draft a new article or post on LinkedIn. But today we're going to take a different path and focus on newsletters. When you've clicked Write Article, notice the Manage drop-down located in the upper right corner of the next page. Give that a click, and from the menu that appears, select Create Newsletter. Now this is where the fun begins and you start tailoring your newsletter to your preferences. A prompt will appear inviting you to add a newsletter title and description. Take some time to think about what you want your newsletter to be called and what kind of content it will include. You'll also be asked how often you'd like to publish. This can vary depending on your schedule, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or even monthly. Additionally, you have the option to upload an image or a logo for your newsletter, which can give it a branded feel and make it instantly recognizable to readers. Once you've filled in the necessary details, click Done. After setting up your newsletter, you'll notice the title of your newsletter appearing near the top right corner of the page. If it's not immediately visible, don't worry. Simply click the Manage drop-down again to select the newsletter where you plan to begin writing. With your newsletter setup complete, you can now focus on crafting your first piece of content. Start drafting the article and make sure it accurately reflects the tone and style you want your newsletter to convey. When your article is polished and ready for your audience to see, go ahead and click Next at the upper right corner of the screen. Review everything one last time, and if you're satisfied, click Publish. And there you go, your LinkedIn newsletter is live for your connections and followers to read and engage with. Keep in mind that consistency is key, so maintain a regular publishing schedule to keep your audience engaged and looking forward to your insights. Happy publishing!